darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you.
Init na cellphone mo, be?
Cause a vision softly creeping.
Liwanay.
Left its seeds while I was sleeping. With a vision that was planted in my brain. Still remains within this sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath their halo of my street lamp, I turned my color to their cold and death. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light
Gunting.
that split the night and touched the sound of silence.
Ano ka na?
Naked lights, 10,000 people making room. People talking without speaking.
Guntingin mo.
People hearing without listening.
Guntingin mo ng sagad.
Ayaw.
People writing songs that voices never share.
Ayaw naman, magunting.
Ilak mo pa, ilak mo, ilak mo. Doon mo ilak. Ilak mo na. Gagi, lobat ka. Ayun o, lak. Gagawin minute. Ayun o, gunting.
Said I, you do not know.
Guntingin mo, Seti. Bago mo ilak ulit. Lak mo ulit. Nalak na.
Hear my words that I might teach you. Take
Light.
my arms that I might reach you.
Ay, white. Pero white.
Orange.
Hindi. Light green, white.
Silent
White. White.
White, orange. Blue.
Light green, white.
rays of silence.
White, orange, blue.
White, blue.
And the people bowed and the sun flashed out its warning. And the words that was spoken.
Ah?
The sun's out. The words of the prophets are written on the
Boy, gunting nga.
waves.
Lock mo muna, takik. Mahirapan ka dyan. Hindi mo mapasok.
The sound of silence.
Eh, gunting mo muna.
Ayaw maano.
Lock mo, Sedi. Lock mo, guntingin mo.
Ayaw magunting.
Lock mo ulit. Lock mo pa isa.
Sir, ayaw maputol.
Lock mo pa isa nga.
Ito?
Oo. Bilis.
Ayaw pa rin.
Bakit na nga?
Video. Tapos na nga eh.
Ha? Tapos na ba?